Hello guys, I'm Sim from rentalmilan.com. This is Porta Genova apartment on rent in Milan in Porta Genova, near Porta Genova metro, not far from Bocconi University and NABA Domus Academy. This is the living room. It's a very big apartment. I think we rented for 5 American guys, so it was okay also for 5. Let me see the entrance. Okay, this is the entrance. 2 big balconies, dinner area, this is the dinner area, fireplace, kitchen, very nice, very big kitchen, table for like 7 people, big family lived here. Then we have this another view from corridor, and then we have 3 bedrooms. Okay, this is where we came. Here we have like 2 bedrooms. First bedroom with 2 single beds. Second bedroom, lot of wardrobe here also. Bathroom, first bathroom with a bathtub, nice. And we have there was another room here. Yes, sorry, I didn't remember. There is another room here, so 4th bedroom. Okay, there is AC also, as you can see. And then we have second bathroom, big shower, walk-in shower, nice. Third bathroom with very big shower, and 4th bedroom. Okay, big wardrobe, and here you can go back to living room, so we make all the where we started. So here we started. Check the price and availability with NABA directly. I let the link downstairs in the description, and I hope you like it, and see you soon here in Milano. Bye.